welcome in the new tutorial. Till now we have completed and we have developed this charts, and now I am going to teach you this form VBA form, right? How we are going to develop a form. So let us come back to our original sheet. Hope you have downloaded this sheet. So moving forward, you have to click. Let us close this thing. You have to click under this developer tab. You have to go to this Visual Basic. You will see there is total 3 window. This is called as properties window, and it will show you as the full summary. So to adding the form, you have to go to under the insert command. There is one option which is called as user form. Just click on it. So now this 3 types of window will be opened up in front of you. So right now this is called as user form 1, and by default name is given to it is user form 1. You can change this thing without any space. Right now I am keeping it as a user form 1. By increasing this thing, you can increase the display size. So let us start with this, the properties. So over here one property which is available is background color. So let us say if you want to change the background color, let us say I am keeping it as a yellow color right now. And for border I am keeping it as a black, and so there are the different options. Now if you want to change this caption, right, so enter name and email ID, right? So first of all, let me give you the brief why we are going to develop this thing. So over here we will place one button. By clicking this button, the form will pop up, and under which we will fill up these 2 things, that is name and email ID. Automatically it will add over here new name and new email ID. So this thing which we want, because sometimes it happens that there are a number of tasks and a new person is required to add one task against one new person. So that is why we first have to create a new person and its email ID. So automatically it will be fetched over here. So that's why we will provide over here one button, and by clicking one button, form will be created. So how the form will look like, that is the thing which we are going to develop over here. So while clicking on the button, it will show this enter name and email ID form. Now you want, then you have to go to this view. You have to select this toolbox. By using this toolbox, we will create our user form. So first of all, we are going to create one data label under which we will write down, just you have to do one click only. If you will do two clicks, it will take you through the coding. So name and email ID form, and now we want to edit this thing. So I will do, so the name by default it is label 1, because we are not going to change this thing right now, and we want to change this font. You have to click on this thing. My favorite font is Calibri. Let us say Calibri bold, and I am increasing it to the 20. So name and email ID font. Now we want to create user input, right? So over here I am taking one new label and writing down enter name. Again I am editing this thing, change to Calibri bold, and let us say 10. Let us increase this font because so it can be easily visible. Let us say 16. So finally we have add enter name. Again we want to add one new same label. So you can do just Ctrl C, Ctrl V. It will give us second thing. And we are going to write down enter email ID. So finally we have created some headings, and we want to add text box. This is the size of the text box. You can decrease it. And this will be our first text box. I'm keeping, this is so important while coding. So right now consider that the by default name given to this box is text box 1, and another box will, again I'm doing Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and this will be second box. I'm increasing the length of this. Also I'm increasing the length of this text box. So finally we have created this 2 user inputs, but there is required 4 buttons for the execution. So right now what we will do over here, one option is there that is called as command button, right? So this is a command button. We are giving the name first caption as a submit, right? Another button, Ctrl C, let us select this thing, Ctrl V, and the command button name is command button 2. Let us change first this trauma to Calibri, increase the size of the, and now we will, let us delete this thing. Again we will Ctrl C, Ctrl V, again new button is created, and the name we are going to add is clear. One is submit, another one is clear. Again Control C, Control V, placing over here. If you double click, then this type of coding form will be open. Right now let us keep this thing and just prepare this form. Over here I am writing go to main page. I will teach you each and every function by coding only. So let us just create this thing. Why we are taking this 4 types of button? Because each and every button will function differently. And this is close. So in this way, by this way you can create this add a name and email ID form. If you want to modify anything for attractive purpose, you can do this thing. Just drag and drop. So there are multiple ways. You can use this different types of controls available in this toolbox. So right now we need only this 3 things. One is label, another is text box, and third one is the button. So finally we have created these forms, and now we will meet you in the next lecture.